Lawsons are a family-owned independent builders merchant. We turn over circa 100 million. We employ 450 staff. We run about 91 trucks across 17 locations, predominantly within the M25 and just slightly outside the M25 corridor.
Hi Jenny.
We always sell on the fact that we sell the right product at the right price, in the right place at the right time. For me to be able to do that, we have to be confident of the uptime and all our equipment operating and having very little downtime with regard to maintenance or servicing. Hiab deliver that for us.
The advantages of ProCare and Total R&M give us predicted costs, peace of mind and ultimately uptime.
Being a market leader that they are within the industry for mechanical handling, we find it important that we have a good, strong relationship. We have to be sure that we keep our vehicles on the road as much as possible. So that's obviously why we're such a strong customer for Hiab, because they deliver on that service element. It's trading partner with confidence.
Thank you very much. That was really quick. Cheers. Appreciate it. Okay, right, ta-da.
Given the philosophy of family values, we always make sure we give the best equipment for our staff to use. A happy workforce is an effective workforce, so we often review with the drivers feedback. Lawsons always pride themselves to have the best vehicles in the industry.
I find the Hiab cranes very smooth, very easy to use. It gives us great ability to set up in tight situations and be able to carry out those lifts the customers are really looking for. The controls themselves are very smooth, very precise, and you can carry out multiple operations or multiple functions very easily. It's a good crane to use and it's fun to drive.
We trying to be a progressive company, and we feel we have a social duty to lower our impact on the environment we operate within. To the point now we've got the EPO, the electronic crane, operating within a gas-powered vehicle, which is the first in the UK. What that allows us to do is take our vehicles to site and operate on a very much quieter level, because given the issues within inner London, we have to avoid traffic as much as possible, so it's an earlier start and a later finish. Normally we'd have to have the engine running. With the electric PTO, we don't need to do that. It's less impact on residents, which is a great selling point for the company. And we also felt we should lead the market in development on this point, so it also complies to the ultra low emissions that have been brought forward a year by Sadiq Khan, so we're actually ahead of the game there.
The EPTO, from an operator's perspective, is far less tiresome. We're not as fatigued because obviously we're not working around the fumes. And also the noise as well, that constant drone of an engine all day. After a 10-hour shift, you really notice the noise difference. So working in with an EPTO machine makes our environment just basically a happier place. It performs as well, as good as a conventional PTO system. The machine itself operates very smoothly. You know when the machine is going to react. You can hear the pumps whirring, which you don't get with a conventional PTO.
We're now getting requests from customers to deliver to their site. It's had good marketing, but it sells itself. The fact that it is environmentally friendly, it will deliver a cleaner, quieter London, it sells itself. We have a social conscience. It's the duty of everybody to make our environment a cleaner place to live in. So we believe we should be the pioneers for that and drive it forward. If we use the strapline of family values and we believe that our staff should work in a good, safe working environment, then why shouldn't our customers and the public that we work around as well?